Hey there, this is Dale with Open Road Outfitters. In this video, I'm installing the model 10120 hitch on a 2020 Road Glide Limited. This US-made hitch comes in a black powder coat and has a standard 1 1/4 inch horizontal receiver. Installation is pretty simple and quick, starting with the 2 bolts on each side of the exhaust mount in the back. These are replaced with slightly longer bolts to accommodate the hitch base plate that we'll install in just a minute. Next, remove the Torx bolts at the tour pack. You can remove both of the bolts at the same time and nothing will move out of place. Insert the larger bushing in the front hole and hand tighten the bolt just to hold the arm in place. Now repeat this process for the other side. I've applied blue thread lock to these bolts as well as the bolts I've replaced in the exhaust brackets. Next, slide the base plate into place and tighten the 2 bolts on each side, just enough to hold the plate in place. Now we move back to the side arms. Put the smaller bushing in the rear hole and hand tighten the bolt. Then repeat that on the other side. Next, lift up a side arm and insert the carriage bolts that tie the arm to the base plate. Do this on both sides. Then install a washer and a nylock nut on each carriage bolt. You can tighten these completely at this step, and no thread lock is required on these bolts. When that's done, go back to the exhaust mount bolts and tighten those on each side. Then tighten the side arms. Insert the ball mount into the receiver and install the ball using thread lock. Be sure to go over all the mounting points to ensure everything's tight. All you need now is a final check from your supervisor. Looks good, and you're ready to ride. Thanks for watching. I've included a link to this hitch in the video description below. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates on new motorcycle touring and camping videos. Till next time, this is Dale with Open Road Outfitters, wishing you many happy journeys.